Hello everyone, friends, on the Weller canal. Today I will show you how to remove echoes in the microphone. Oh well, for starters, if you use speakers with a microphone, then most likely you won't remove the echo because if you have a repetition of your voice, there will always be an echo. To do this, if you suddenly have headphones you need to use, if this cannot be done in any way, then lower the volume of the speakers or reduce the sensitivity of the microphone. That's it. Microphone sensitivity can be reduced in Settings, System, Sound. Here we have a microphone. That's it. And here we have accordingly his sensitivity, and you just reduce it to the level that you need. Yes. Or by going to the mixer. Oh, not the mixer, but more sound settings. Here, recording, microphone with the right mouse button, properties, level, and lower, respectively, the level here to the desired level. Also, from here, you need to uncheck the listen to the microphone through the speakers box. It must be like mine. That's it. In general, nothing more can be done for this. The main thing is to have a headset. That's all. Weller was with you. Subscribe to the channel. Bye, everyone.